Welcome to the expanded Riverside Walter Reed Hospital. What we have just walked through is the new surgical center and med-surg unit, along with our new main lobby for outpatients. What we're going to deliver with this expansion are brand new state-of-the-art operating rooms, state-of-the-art procedure rooms, an expanded recovery, pre-op and recovery area. So our current pre and post-op is about 2,700 square feet. Our new pre and post-op is over 9,000 square feet. So that's a substantial increase. Our OR suite, which includes central sterile processing and decontamination, that's going from a little over 7,000 square feet to 14,000 square feet. So essentially doubling in size. And really the highlight of the new building is our new med-surg unit, which features 36 private patient rooms, each with its own bathroom, pull-out sofa, recliner, bedside table with bench, and folding chair, TV, computer in every room. So great feature for the community. With this expansion in the new main lobby, outpatients will now enter the hospital by the medical office building, and emergency department patients will continue to use the front of the hospital. We have also installed new signage throughout the campus, so we have increased wayfinding. We also have a brand new digital display that is on George Washington Memorial Highway, which allows us to message the community, keep them up to date on events, advances, new providers, etc. So it's a great way for us to open up lines of communication. We also, in the new expanded building, we have our own central utility plant, which is propane fired. We have a brand new electrical room, so normal power and emergency power that supports not only the existing hospital, but also the new expansion. We have a brand new generator that helps complement the existing generators from the hospital to enable us to provide more robust backup power to the hospital in the event of a power outage. We recognize that in this area, we need to continue to provide great health care for our residents.